Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna unbox these huge pizza, some goodies with it. So this is a family box by Pizza Hut. The logo you must have seen, Pizza Hut order online. So what is there actually? Let's see. So this is some goodie box which was available in family box. Some bread, some breads, some cheese roll, something potato veggies. So this is it, and it also provided 4 tetra packs also with it. So these all goodies with 4 tropic fruit juices. Wow, it's here, and goodies also over here with some ketchups on top, and it costed me around $15 to $16. So let's go on this side. Wow, it's the paneer, it's a tandoori paneer pizza. So these are 2 medium-sized pizza I have ordered with this, some goodies, some tetra packs, some ketchup, and yum. So this is the paneer. Yum. Wow, man, I'm loving it. It's very cheesy. I'm gonna have a bite. What is the another one? It is different. Wow. Yeah, it is extra veggie. Yes, extra veggie with cheesy. Yum. Let's have a bite. Friends, this is very reasonable. I would say 2 medium-sized pizza, that too very cheesy. These goodie box of 3 different things, some ketchups which is normal, but 4 tetra packs of juice. Yum. I like this treat. This is family box. Go and order in Pizza Hut. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.